So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So yeah guys, this video is about a piece of accessories that I've installed on my bike, and here it is guys. This is just a extra fitted accessories, which is a rechargeable battery LED front light, and here is the product. And most of you guys might be thinking like, why are you putting a piece of LED front light which is actually meant for a bicycle, but you're fitting it on a motorcycle? So first thing first guys, my bike is just driven around. I'll show you guys. It's driven around 609 kilometers, and as you can tell, it's a very brand new bike. So I don't want to goof up any warranty on this thing. So I got this light because the stock light is very I would say not up to the mark, so the visibility is very poor. So I got this fitted on my bike, and its name is Shifi Sim. This is a waterproof, super brightest 800 LM rechargeable battery LED front light, and this comes in grey, so sort of matches my color of the bike, and it's priced at around 624. What got me into this is, as you can see out here, 5k. So this particular product has a 5k buyers as of current status, so the product has a very good review as well. So this is what it looks like, and you have it's rechargeable, so anytime that the battery goes down, I'll have to recharge it, or probably I'm thinking, as you can see out here, there's a USB port, so probably I'll somehow fix this, and I'll be using this as long as my bike warranty is still there, because I don't want to goof up, and I don't want to. So say for example, if you install any aftermarket accessories or aftermarket LED lights, there will be some sort of cuts on the wire which can or may void my warranty on the bike. So I don't want to get into that trouble. That's the reason I took this step. And anyway, let me know in the comment how is this looking like. So I'll just switch it on. So this is the brightest mode. Here you can see the battery percentage as well. So this is the brightest mode, this is the little dim mode, and then you have the blinker out here. Probably it will be very helpful in the highways, and you have this light as well. So altogether there are 4 modes. This is the first one, second, third, and the fourth one. So it's quite a good product, I will say. So you can let me know in the comment guys if there's any aftermarket accessories which can be fitted without any cutting of the wires. You can let me know in the comment. And yeah guys, that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you find this informative, do like, share and subscribe. Bye guys, bye.